one of the things that we talked about today was, the 82 should be supportive. So we got that right. And we said, don't be surprised that this afternoon, we get the long side pushing back against the shorts because they're fighting for their life right now. But keep an eye on the daily chart. This is an important chart right now. This battlefield right here. And the longs can leg off of a day if they get a positive day today. So our expectation obviously is to keep pushing and testing this previous 95, 96 area of resistance and even bump a couple of stops if they can. But ultimately, they still need to, generate a couple of days in a row. And a 40-point drop yesterday, in my opinion, is being disrespected by a lot of the longs. And maybe I'm incorrect, but certainly we already know that today we expected a dead cat bounce. We've got that already, but not much more. So the closing will be key for this afternoon. And we said at lunchtime, make sure you don't overthink the short side. 88 we called as our probably aggressive support. So far that's holding. So for the rest of the day, I'm going to continue to keep an eye on that as our important idea and help to generate, any further ideas. But for now, if you're a conservative short and you don't want to double top it, then try a slightly higher high if you want. But the boys are going to try to jam if they can before we're done. And this is the 10-minute chart, a hair ahead of ourselves. And sometimes what we get is, stop run and then it reverses and comes back down. So aggressive traders only are in this area, just ahead of the double top area. And conservative traders, reminder, we had a great day yesterday. We've had several great trades today. And the most important thing is to take capital out of the market every day. Stay with a program that will, consistently put money in our pocket. So no need to overthink. We've already had a good day and yesterday and today. And if you don't like a trade, don't take it. Don't do anything. You have nothing to prove. So I believe that, at this point in the day and at this time structure and price structure, the battle lines have already been drawn and we know what we're fighting for. So longs have the edge right now, in my opinion, from a short-term perspective, because yesterday we had a stolen range. But longer term, I think that short that came out yesterday speaks volumes about the market. And personally, I think there are a lot of cocky longs right now who have forgotten all respect for the market and market fear. They just say, we're going to keep coming back at you. Well, we'll see.